Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn about ear, the sense of hearing. As we know, with the help of our ears, we can hear. Our ear can differentiate different sounds. Let's know, how do we hear from our ear? Sound is created by vibrations from the motion of objects. Waves of sound travel through a medium such as air or water. These waves enter the outer ear and travel through ear canal, which vibrates the eardrum. When eardrum vibrates, these vibrations pass to the middle ear and vibrate the bones, that is malleus, incus and stapes, these three bones present in the middle ear. This in turn vibrates the fluid present inside the cochlea to ripple in the inner ear. Cochlea is having fine hair-like structure that creates an electrical signal which connects to the auditory nerves. The auditory nerves carries this electrical signal to the brain, which change into sound that we can hear. Like this, our ear can hear the sound from the vibration produced from the objects. Let us know some facts of our ears. Human ear can hear the sound in the frequency range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Earwax protect sensitive ear from dust and dirt. The smallest bone in the body is present in the middle ear, that is stapes. Our ear grows throughout the lifetime. Exposure to sound at 120 decibel or above can damage our hearing. The decibel of sounds produced by different objects is mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.